As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Master Cook and the Coleman RoadTrip 285, and I'm trying to figure out which one is better.
Yeah, I see them. The Master Cook has a bigger cooking area, right? Like 472 square inches versus the Coleman's 285.
Exactly. That's a big difference if you're cooking for a crowd. But the Coleman boasts about being portable, with those quick-fold legs and wheels.
True, the Coleman's portability is a major plus for camping or tailgating. The Master Cook seems more like a stay-at-home grill.
I noticed that too. The Master Cook has 30,000 BTUs of heat output, while the Coleman has 20,000. Does that make a huge difference in grilling performance, do you think?
It could. More BTUs usually mean faster heating and potentially better searing. But the Coleman has 3 adjustable burners, which might give you finer temperature control.
Good point. The Master Cook also has foldable side shelves, which is convenient for prepping. The Coleman doesn't seem to have those.
Yeah, but the Coleman Ferbers come with a hose and adapter for connecting to a larger propane tank, which is awesome. I hate those little canisters. Is the Master Cook including that?
I don't see it mentioned. That's definitely a point for Coleman. Also, the reviews for the Coleman seem generally positive, with people saying it's easy to assemble and cooks food well, although there aren't many reviews for it. The Master Cook has thousands of reviews.
And what do people say about the Master Cook?
Well, most say it cooks well and is a good value, but some complain about flimsy construction and missing parts. That's a bit worrying,
Yeah, build quality is important. And the Coleman has push-button ignition, which is always nice.
Both have that. But here's the catch. The Coleman is currently unavailable. That kind of makes the decision for me, doesn't it?
Oh, bummer! Well, if you're not in a rush, maybe wait and see if the Coleman comes back in stock. But if you need a grill now, the Master Cook seems like a decent option, as long as you're okay with potentially having to deal with assembly issues. And maybe buy a separate propane hose.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.